Rayovac, a leader in hearing aid battery design and technology. Rayovac provides hearing care professionals and consumers around the world with the very best in performance and quality. Building on over 110 years of engineering innovation and investment, the next generation in hearing aid battery technology is here. Rayovac is taking battery technology to the next level with new sound fusion technology, a major leap forward in power. With sound fusion technology at the heart of every battery, Rayovac empowers you to enjoy more of the moments that matter. With improved battery life, more hours of wireless streaming, and a more consistent performance, sound fusion technology powers Rayovac's best battery ever. Sound fusion technology features highly conductive fusion. An improved polymer network increases cathode connectivity and gives the active ingredients more space to boost performance. A new manufacturing process with an innovative blending methodology improves anode reaction efficiency and provides an increased universal power for a reliable and consistent performance in a wide range of temperatures. Sound fusion technology represents the ideal blend of power, performance, and reliability. No hearing aid battery lasts longer. This new innovation will power our best-selling Rayovac Extra and Rayovac Proline brands for proven, improved performance. Sound fusion technology meets the demands of modern-day hearing devices to make life sound better. Rayovac, the power to hear more.